I'm making waffles.
It was supposed to be raining all weekend. It hasn't rained once. We were so hungry, so. Hi, hello. Good morning, guys. I'm so tired. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Deerica. If you're not new here, welcome back. So this vlog is just kind of like a weekend vlog. Originally, Jared and I had plans to go out of town and have a little getaway, but we are getting hit by like some kind of like tropical storm. Literally, we're gonna go Friday, Saturday, and the days it's gonna rain the most is Friday, Saturday, so yeah. So we pivoted and decided to just still have a fun weekend. We'll see what we do. Florida's also weird because like it'll say like it's gonna rain and then it like doesn't. Anyways, super excited about this vlog. I am on my way to go to my cycling class. Super excited. I go to Rush Cycle. The class is about to start soon.
Good morning, everybody. Today, Dee and I are starting our weekend. Our weekends start on Fridays because we're both pretty available on Fridays. She usually doesn't work, and I usually only work a little bit. Here's to the weekend. So I did my devos. I'm gonna jump online and answer a few emails, respond to a few clients, follow up some projects. One thing I think is pretty goofy is my desk setup at home. I don't have like a way to raise my computer, so I've just been using this box. It works, but it's less than ideal. I started hanging our TV mount, got the TV out on the ground.
Okay, I just finished my class and now I'm gonna go home. And then we're gonna go on our daily walk. Because if you've been following me in my other video about my morning routine, I was talking to you guys about how I want to walk a mile every day this month. We just got back from our hot girl walk, healthy girl walk, and it was hot. It was so hot, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take a shower, buddy.
I made waffles.
What?
I'm making waffles.
I don't know that one.
You haven't seen that from Shrek?
I've seen Shrek, I just don't remember.
Donkey, when he meets Shrek and he's over at his house and he wakes him up for breakfast, he's like, I'm making waffles.
Okay guys, so we are on our way to go see Jared's little brother, Evan, get his first tattoo. How are you feeling?
Why do you have this?
Okay guys, so we came to grab lunch. Evan's still doing his tattoo. We brought Caitlin with us. And we made some sandwiches. And then here's mine. It's like a steak sandwich.
That was a nice crunch.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Mmm, so good. Wow. Mm. Hey. Oh my gosh. You look so good. How is it? Did it hurt?
A little bit.
A little bit, okay. This is so yummy. Happy birthday, guys.
They're just packed in a jar of pepperoni. Sweet. I don't know if I have a...
Alright guys, so we just finished hanging out at Grove.
For like the last 3 hours.
Yes, like starving, so I went to the store next door and it's called So Fresh on avocado toast because I'm literally starving to death. So yeah. So we are now going to take some pictures for this brand that they sent me the sweatshirt to take pictures in. It's really cute. It's called What's Your Happy Hour? So we're gonna go do that at the beach. It was supposed to be raining all weekend and it hasn't rained once, so.
Eric and I are ready to put the actual mount on the wall. We'll see how this goes. You guys fell over. It's about to die. I'm gonna turn it off.
Really looks like a storm's coming in. Alright guys, we made it. We got the vodka sauce with their homemade sausage. And we just got normal Alfredo with the homemade sausage. Okay guys, so we have our little setup, our pastas, and our TV, yay! And try the vodka first.
I've had this one before, guys. It is delicious.
So good.
Good.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Try the Alfredo.
This one I've not had before.
It's just like, it's good. I like the vodka better, but it's still good. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's our Friday. Bye, good night. Hi, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
It's Saturday. Guys, we literally slept in until like 9 o'clock. And it was so good. Like my body needed that like so much. Feels so refreshed, so great. And remember how I told you guys there's supposed to be like a freaking tropical storm? Yeah, it's not even raining one drop right now. Like, so now we're like, well, what the heck? We need to go do stuff. So we're gonna go make some brekkie and Jared's gonna make me some coffee now. Okay, we just finished breakfast and Jared just finished making some coffee. Let's try it.
I almost spilled it.
It's yummy. And then obviously we made some avocado toast. Yay. And guys, Jared didn't put honey on his avocado toast.
That goes salty. Okay, so currently I'm about to go cut the grass. So I put zinc on my face whenever I'm outside, playing pickleball or surfing, or in this case, mowing the grass. And protects my face from getting burned. And it's reef safe. Because we have so many reefs here in Florida, right?
Alright guys, I just finished filming a video, one of our house videos. Now we are brushing and making just some salad. Alright guys, we just left. Now, we're on our way to King State. I'm so hungry though, so I'm really glad we packed some lunch. Also, we're having some of these guys. They're amazing. I talked about them in the grocery haul video. So we're back home. We were like at King State. We ran out of storage in our hard drive, in my hard drive. So we bought a new one. This guy is 4 terabytes, so he a big boy. He a big boy. So yeah, that was a little bump in the road. And we're gonna go on our hot girl walk because we haven't gone on it today. Hi, hello. So we have Bailey joining us for, oh gosh, you're scary. For our hot girl walk. And we'll insert a picture of Zach here. Yeah. Of his hot girl walk in friggin' New York. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye. Hi, hello, good morning. We are getting ready and about to go to church. We're super excited. Today's gonna be a great day. My parents are coming over later. We are eating together. We're gonna play some pickleball later. So I'm excited. All right, guys. We're back from church. Message was so good. My parents are on their way, but we were so hungry, so we got McDonald's. Jared loves McDonald's. I don't care, but since he's getting it, then I just start craving it, so then I'm like, well, what the freak? Comment below, do you guys like McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell? What's your go-to? Chick-fil-A?
What's your
Chipotle?
go-to icky greasy food?
Anyways, we're gonna eat. All right, guys, our family is here and our dogs. Say hi. Mia, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Tommy, what do we have here?
Seafood soup.
Oh, Tommy over here is my uncle and he's the chef. Wow. Looks amazing. This is my favorite meal. I literally could have this every single day. Why don't they come here and cook it for me every single day? I don't know. This is my other uncle. So in Ecuador, so you put Coke and you put beer. Ooh, I almost spilled it. And it's very yummy. It's called what? Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, well we just finished coming back from playing pickleball. It was so much fun just hanging out with our whole family. And that's the end of our weekend vlog. Weekend done, yay! I hope you guys enjoyed our full weekend vlog. I'll be posting every day in June, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment all the videos, and hey, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye!